Hey guys, it's Lola. Let's get started. I'll be applying a primer. It's from a Pew to make the surface a bit more smoother. I'll use the Peach Perfect foundation from Too Faced. It's my favorite foundation nowadays. And I'll hide these dark spots from acne using this GRWM high coverage liquid concealer. When you use this concealer, you need to be careful to control the amount of this liquid concealer, because if you just pull it out and just put it on, it may be too much. Try to blend it by tapping the spot several times with this blender. Do you remember, like, I was having so many breakouts all over? I didn't realize that I was having period, and oh god, yes, my breakouts get so bad. And I'll be using even lighter color to highlight the high points. And to create some depth, I'll be using this cool art class by Rodin. Give more definition a nose using the smaller brush. Try to make a fake smile and make it a bit darker where you get this line when you smile. And using this dark shade concealer, I'll make my nose even more pointy. And then apply powder to blend it all together a bit more naturally, to hide those brush lines and those unnatural divider between colors. And for the next, I always do curling my lashes first, because I don't want my hard-worked eyeline gets ruined by doing this after. I'm gonna go with some orange colors today, and I'll be using Urban Decay palette, and I'll be using this color for the base, which looks very like camel brown, but it does have like hint of orange in it under eye as well. But try to apply only like a bit of other side of your eye. And for my second layer, I'll be using this ColourPop pressed powder eyeshadow. And the color name is Chauffeur. And it's kind of orangey with this champagne glitter. And I'm going to apply this on my eyelid area. Oh my god, see this color? This color is, oh my god, this is crazy. So pretty. It's kind of gold and it's kind of tangerine and oh god, so beautiful. Love this color. Just like blending it with the first shade. Oh my god, I love this color. And for the third color, I'm just going to use this dark brown from Pony Effect. Just going to give my eyes a shape and some shadow, so that it'll make my eyes look more three-dimensional. I'll be using this Starlit liquid from Makeup Forever. I love how it gives this beautiful pearl effect, but only thing I don't like about this one is that it has fragrance. It has that rose it has that rose type of fragrance. That's something I don't like. Okay, let's do eyelines. I'll be using this gel liner from Benefit. It's extending the length. And mascara. Rose. Okay, it looks about the same. I mean, okay, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, I'll just leave it. And the cheek, I'll go with orange with the eyeshadow, and I'm using this glossier hot pink. And for the lips, I'll be mixing 2 or 3, I don't know. So the main color would be this one from Pinky Swear. It looks like a Sharpie pen, but actually it's a liquid lipstick, and it has a nice brick orange color, and it also smells wonderful. It smells like orange, kind of smells like orange or like starburst. And the second color, I'll be using this Tarte romantic color, the pink. They applying this on the outer side of my lips. I'm going to top this red lip gloss. Product these days, everything smells so wonderful. And for the highlight, I'll be using this rose gold highlighter color. Look at this color, oh my god, so beautiful. Rose gold or champagne color, oh my god. The point on my cheeks, nose tip. Okay, done. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.